Hi, in this video we are going to talk about where are my libraries. So normally when you invoke the custom compiler, you will see all the design libraries and the PTK that you have previously. Sometimes you will see that it is empty. So why? There are basically two reasons. First is that you are starting a new project and you wouldn't see any libraries in the custom compiler. The second is you are invoking it at the wrong directory. Let me show an example. Let's say now you are at the work directory. Let's say if you are invoking custom compiler in desktop, you definitely won't see anything. Why? Because in work directory, there is a file called library definition file. This library definition files determines that which library and PTK will be included in your library manager. Let's take a look inside. If you have an existing database, it will look something like this. But let's say, if you are starting a new project, this file might not be even exist. So you have to create one. If you are creating one new library definition file, the first line you have to include is this library definition file from samples. If you are using a particular PTK from Foundry, you should find where is their library definition file, and you can include it over here. And as you can see here, all these are actually your own design library. You can create your own design library using the GUI of custom compiler. So basically, these are the two reasons that's why you can't see your libraries. So make sure you check your library definition file whether the PTK or design library are included in that file. Alright, that's all. Thank you.